ladies and gentlemen. This video is for all those who love to wear shirts. But hey, have you ever thought while purchasing a shirt whether the stitch is right, the fit is correct? If not, watch this video till the end and you will find what are the problematic areas which you need to be careful while purchasing a shirt. Problem number 1. The collar does not stand up while unbuttoned. If you see in the picture, you can see exactly how the collar falls down. That collar doesn't stand alone. That's a stitching problem. You need to be very careful while you purchase a shirt, because if your collar is not able to stand, it's not going to give you the correct look. Problem number 2, the placet, that is the area below your collar, which is the button area, your silhouette, bumps out. That again is a stitching problem. If the proper measurements are not taken, this happens. So please be very careful. Check all the areas, all the buttons, whether it falls straight, it doesn't bump out, because this is very important. Once you buy in a hurry and then later on when you wear it will make your outfit look ugly. Problem number 3 is a line running from your armpit to the collar area. We generally feel while wearing that it's a pressing problem, but it's not a pressing problem. This happens because if this measurement of the armpit is not taken properly, you have those lines falling, and that will not only make you uncomfortable, but that also gives a not a perfect fit look to your shirt. People can make it out that something is wrong with your shirt, so please be watchful. Most of the time you get the perfect fitting upstairs, but your stomach area, the shirt gets too tight. And I know most of the people, when they buy a shirt, if they like the color, they like the pattern, they compromise with it, and they say, oh, pant will, I'll wear pant in such a way that it gets hidden. No, it doesn't get hidden. You not only feel uncomfortable for the whole day, but even your look will not give you that appropriate fit, and people will come to know that it's too tight. So do not buy a shirt which is tight from your stomach area. Get it rectified. This a tightness at the back side when you move forward, or you move your hands forward, you feel a stretch over there. That again is a fit problem. You can see in the photographs I have attached for your understanding. So do not compromise on that, because that is not going to make you feel comfortable. When you're straight, nothing happens, and you feel when you wear a shirt you feel it's okay, but after wearing a shirt, move your hands forward, backward, bend forward, backward, check out all the tightness. If you have that tightness at the back side, please do not buy it or get it rectified, because in the long run, or maybe in a second wearing itself, because first wearing was your trial room, and trial room you are hardly doing any activity, but once you wear it and start your activity, you will feel very uncomfortable and you will throw off your shirt in some corner of your wardrobe. Problem number 6, the problem which you had at the back, similar problem near the chest, the pulling near the chest, that is very much visible, and you can really, not only you yourself feel uncomfortable, but people immediately come to know the shirt is too tight, and you need to avoid that. If you see in the figure, you can make out how it get the creases, and it doesn't give a straight fall. Problem number 7, how much you like the shirt, but if you have the tightness around your armpits, avoid that shirt. That shirt, on overall look may look good, but trust me, that stiffness will make you uncomfortable. If you see in the picture, the area which is shown, you need to be very careful not buying those kind of shirts, because that will not only make you uncomfortable whole day, but you will not be able to concentrate on your work, and your constant concentration will be on those areas. Problem number 8. This is not the last, but this is one of the last in this video. The extra fabric near your stomach and back area. If the shirt is not cut properly, this has a problem. When it is hanging, it looks fantastic. When you're wearing, you may not understand this problem, because you generally wear in and like pull the fabric out, but it is a D-shaped shirt, and definitely in the long run, maybe like third, fourth wearing itself, you will start feeling the discomfort that something is wrong below, and that extra fabric is quite visible. So please avoid those kind of shirts too. The points here which I have shared are not all, but these are major ones. If you take care of these things and buy a shirt, I'm sure that shirt is going to hang in your wardrobe for a longer time. Not only that, it will be worn much more time. So wish you good luck. Before you shop, just keep these points in mind, and please do like, share and comment in this video. If you have any queries or any questions, also comment in the comment box. And if you wish I should be making more videos, what are the topics you want me to make videos, please comment. Thank you.